YouTube, welcome back to another one of Adventures with Laces. Today we're going to be making a fire and making some sausages and cups of brew. Stay tuned. Jurassic Park. This is where we're going to do our fire. One is in a controlled, safe environment, and down there we're going to go get our bricks to make it all nice and safe. And then on the concrete here, put the nice stove. Here are the bricks, and this one's very close to the path, so we can't do it here. But if we put these bricks and bring it back over to our thingy all the way over there somewhere. Currently built a little box using the bricks on this rock, which is making it a controlled fire. He's got the heavens open, so it's gonna make the challenge a lot harder. I'm gonna have to light this tea light and somehow cover it up. Also, I need to shred them. I've got my knife with me, and what I'm gonna have to do is grab the sticks and like carve them down to like the inside. It'll be a lot drier and easier to start the fire. And I'm not using regular like steel or something like that. Got a tea light and matches, so it'll be a bit of a challenge. The tea light will kind of dry the wood a bit more, and hopefully ignite it a bit. I've got some sticks. Here she is. Nice and ready for some carving to do. Put some more in there. I've swapped knives for a bit. See? All in there, that is brilliantly dry. I'm going to start with plan B, which is going to be some tumble dryer fluff with the kindling here. And I'm going to try and match it. And if that doesn't work, I've gone to plan B, which is the tea light. Let's start with this on here. I don't want to put too much on. So these little bits. Okay. So now we're going to strike this and try and light this now, guys. So strike it. Stick that in. Put that in there. Now we need to get out some of this stuff and try the angles up and above. Like that. There we go. So that should start to catch. Oh, a bit more tumble dryer. So if you try and push that down to the top. There we go. I'm trying like angles above it, so hopefully that will stop trying to bring it over. You might have to reserve to that tea light, but who knows, you might not have to.
How's it going, Laces?
Good, how are you, Dustpan?
Good, going well. Hopefully we both got our fires going.
Yeah.
Well, mine's going, but if you can cook the sausages, always better.
Yeah. Little surprise. But you didn't know we were here with the others. Make sure you give a like, a follow to Dustpan Outdoors and Out and About Adventures. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Say hi. Hi. Give them a wave. Some oatmeal. Shall I try and light this bit again?
Is it? Just put the black thing back a little bit. I don't know.
Okay, if this doesn't work, I might have to resort to this candle. Who knows? You can all remember what plan B was. It was the tea lights. So let's just like lift this up, dig it in. That was hot, guys. Okay, we can have that there then, I guess. definitely better than how it was before. I had like nothing. Twiglet's coming for reinforcement. Welcome back. I'm ready to cook.
I would do it in the pan if I was you.
Can I put a little grill right now on my sausages?
Yeah, if I was said
It's very nice. It's quite on a big slant, but I might try. I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna start.
You do that. No, just stick them in there. It should be.
Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, this is what I've been putting in the fluff and the whole time. I've been actually tumble dryer fluff. So if you like when I go out in the woods and stuff, I recommend grab like a little Ziploc bag or something. And every time you empty your tumble dryer with that fluff, grab it and put it in a bag because it is a very good fire starter and catcher. And they are now cooked. You just put the fire out and I'm currently got my breakfast, my lunch. Let's take a bite. All packed up now, and as you can see, leave no trace. We might as well go touch the summit on the Biddy Hill, because we're, we'll touch it and head on the way back down. Change of plan. It's too muddy and puzzly everywhere, very boggy. So I'm just gonna head down now. Very much for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for the next one.